Did you panic when Instagram and Facebook were down? I did not because I have a very powerful profile. Google my name, Wanda Lintan Kalupig, and I promise you, you can see so many things, but the number one that comes at the top is my LinkedIn profile. Investing on the right social media platform can end your business worries. If you want to build a powerful digital online presence, I would like to invite you on my founder entrepreneur community where I will help you and teach you step by step how can you build a powerful platform presence on LinkedIn, the number one platform for businesses. I look forward to seeing you there because I will coach you. I will give you exposure to my network too. God bless you and see you. Bye.